Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to make another series. This time we are going to make fresh milk latte series. So some of you might be taking milk every day and it's about time that you make your fresh milk a little bit more exciting. And to do this, all you have to do is to add a little bit of flavor to your milk. We are going to make 3 different types of fresh milk latte using 3 different flavors. I am not a fan of flavored powders, especially those that are 3-in-1. I find them very artificial, and also I don't know what's really in the powder form. Now if it's unsweetened or plain, pure powder, that is fine with me. But for fresh milk or even fruity, I wouldn't recommend that you use flavored powder. Although you can use flavored syrup. For today's video tutorial, I'm going to make 3 different flavors. One is using melon, so melon fresh milk latte. And then the other one is using fresh milk banana. And the third one is using the Thai salad. For those of you that do not know Thai salad, this flavor is the most popular flavor in Thailand. Everybody knows this. And also in our shop, it's one of our best sellers. We call this pinky milk because the color of the milk turns pink. And for this, we only have really 2 ingredients. One is the flavor and the other is fresh milk. Very simple ingredients. There's nothing else that you need to add to this. So we are going to make 16 ounces cups for this one. And just to make it a little bit more exciting and a little bit more presentable, I am going to put milk foam on top of our drinks. So let's start by making our milk foam. For this, I'm going to use a manual milk frother, and you need milk to be cold. And then as always, you use this one and pump it until it is harder to pump because the volume of the milk has kind of tripled. By the time we're done with this, it's going to be full. So there you go, it's nearly full. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to pop this in the refrigerator for when we need to use this. Just a minute. So now let's start by making our first drink, and this is banana latte. For this, I am going to use my banana flavor. You can use any brand that's available in your market, and by the way, you can use any flavor. You can use pineapple, passion fruit, blueberry, strawberry, and the formula or the recipe is the same. For this, I'm going to make it 2 layers. So I'm going to put my syrup at the bottom. This is 20 ml for 16-ounce cup. And then we are going to put our ice. For our second drink, we are going to use melon. This smells so much like fresh melon, delicious smelling. So let's put our melon flavor or melon syrup into our cup. And then let's put the ice. I'm just going to leave it here for now. Just bring it up. Finally, our Thai salad or pinky milk. Our syrup once again into the cup. And then our ice. So there you have it, very simple recipe. You can add this to your menu. This will be a hit with children especially. So let's give this a try. So this one is the banana. It just makes your milk a little bit more exciting. Let's give this a try. Tastes like banana. Banana flavor can also be added to milk tea, coffee, and also chocolate. They are equally delicious. So this is just one way of putting it, making it into a banana flavored fresh milk. Not so sweet, it's only the syrup that we added into this drink. And the second one is the melon. Once again, melon can also be added to all the other base drinks like coffee and milk tea, and also chocolate is perfect for all those, even Italian soda. Tastes like melon. And it's also healthier because it's only fresh milk with a little bit of sweetener in the form of melon syrup. And now, last but not the least, this is one of our best sellers. As you can see, it turns into a beautiful pink color. Now the taste of this is so refreshing, it's so distinct. You will never find this flavor anywhere other than from Thailand. Sala is a Thai fruit, which is also known as snake fruit. Give this one a try. It's no wonder it's one of the most popular flavor in Thailand. There you go, 3 different flavors for fresh milk latte. Very simple. You may also add sinkers to this like grass jelly or tapioca pearls or konjac pearls or any sinkers of your choice. They will be equally good. Some of you have asked me to show you some fresh milk cereals, so this is it. Very simple. There's nothing magical about it. You just have to be creative in presenting them. So I'll see you again in my next video tutorial. Stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you for watching, and ciao for now.